Hey besties, Lavichic are doing a Black Friday extravaganza and it's coming early. So from this 18th to the 27th of November, you can get yourself treated to 30% off everything on their website. I have been lucky enough to have a bag full of goodies and brands that are going to be available on the website at the discount price. And well, there's a lot of things that I've actually tried, there's a lot of things that I've never tried before, and there's a lot of brands, a few brands that I'm dying to try. So let's just go ahead and just see what's in this goodie bag and go through it quickly. So let's start with the brand Glov. So we have pillow rollers, which are really good. I've got a few of them myself and I swear by them. This is the Glov bio-based hairbrush. Honestly, I think they knew I needed one of these because I've been dying to get one of those for a while. We have the Barbie 2-layer hair towel wrap. I have a few of these, but I don't have the Barbie one, so I'm really happy to have the Barbie one. And let's see what else. Reusable cosmetic pads. You guys know I have a few of those. We have Scrub X, the exfoliating lip mitt for soft and kissable lips. I've seen this everywhere and I've been dying to get it. And lastly from Glov is the glove magnet. I've got quite a number of these, and yeah, you can't have Glov without the magnet soap. Next brand is Hello Sunday. You guys know I love this brand. It's my favorite. It's the best SPF brand that I am known, and it tends to have the highest SPF. So we start off with the tinted lip balm. These are new in the range because I have the one with that are not tinted, and this is in the one mauve. This is the second one of mine, so I'm happy I've got another one. We have the mineral eye cream. I don't think I've had that before. And lastly, I'm so happy I've got this in this bag, is the face moisturizer, the everyday one. I finished this off recently, so I'm so glad I've got top up. So that's Hello Sunday. Remember, 30% off. Clinians, you guys know I swear by the micellar water, the biphase one. This one is the normal micellar water for dry or sensitive skin. So I don't think I've ever tried this one, so that's that one. And we also have a refreshing toner. So these ones are in the Hydra Plus, but there's loads to choose from on the website. More skincare, Thalgo. You guys know I love Thalgo. You know I'm not gonna be biased, but I love these brands. So we have the Thalgo Velvet Cleansing Milk. We have the Source Marine Soothing Eye Care. So I'm guessing that's an eye cream. And we have Pro Eye Patches. We know we love those. Last brand of skincare from the website are the Skin Genetics. I've never tried this brand, so I'm really excited to try this. So we have the Skin Generics. Why am I saying genetics? Generics Aloe Vera Restoring Night Cream. So that's that one there. We then have the Vitamin C Serum Eclat Eliminator. And we also have the hyaluronic acid lip treatment, which is that one there. So there's a lot of skincare products to choose from on the website. So remember, 30% off. You know I'm going to talk about fragrance, guys. Fragrances are on 30% off. There's a lot of fragrances to choose from. These are the newest ones. These are the newest Adidas fragrances that have just been released, and this is two of the sex. They're unisex, but there's for male and female if you prefer, but these are unisex. I have the Full Recharge and Happy Feels. So with makeup we have Max Factor and Rimmel, my two favorite babies. So we have the Face Finishing Bronzer. I love that I have a top up of this. We have some newbies and some oldies. So this is the 2000 calorie brow sculpt in brown. I should have had all these, but I have no idea where they are. So it's just a really good brow sculpting brow gel, really. And these are new. I've never seen these and I've never tried them, so but I've got this on at the moment. So this is the 2000 calorie lip graze, and this is in the shade number 60 favorite song, and I actually have this on my lips today. It's gorgeous. I love it, and I need to get all the shades. And then this is the Miracle Pure Golden Glow bronzer, which I also have on today, and this is in the shade number 2 medium to deep. Lastly, we have Rimmel. You guys know I love my Rimmel, and we have 4 items here. One of which is my favorite, my all-time favorite. You guys know I love my Thrill Seeker mascara. This is an extreme black. This is to die for. You guys need to try it if you haven't tried it. It's got 30% off, and again, you need to try it. There's no excuse. You just go and add to basket. You need it. We have 2 primers. Oh, we have 2 primers. This one I have already. This is the Multitasker All Day Grip and Breathable Primer. This is really nice. This also has vitamin C. And this one I have not tried. This is the Lasting Finish 48-hour Hydration Boost Face Plumping Primer. Face Plumping Primer. This is interesting. I'll definitely review this in the near future. And lastly, this one, everyone's been talking about this. It's a dupe for a very well-known brand product. This is the Multitasker Better Than Filters. It's a primer, highlighter and glow booster, and I actually have it on underneath my foundation, which again is the Max Factor Miracle Pro Pure Skin Reset 2-in-1 Serum. Sorry, I'm going to actually talk about Max Factor because I'm wearing it right now. So these two together are what you're seeing on my face. And don't forget to go check out the 30% off on Lavichic. It's all week and you definitely need to go check it out.